Aye. Up at the nose. We can light it up. You gon' have us a good time. Get yourself out. Oh, oh, oh.
Jump. Good job, Bubba.
So hey guys, you just saw that clip right there, right? So yeah, that's our dog. He can't really come on the top of the table because he's too small. But make sure you close the door. But yeah, we're gonna be doing my dog picks my slime ingredients challenge. We're gonna do that challenge. So this to the side.
Basically,
we have our bowls. We have like different kinds of stuff. We're gonna put a tree out, and we're not gonna show you which one he eats, but we'll be so honest. But we're gonna set the items up right here.
So you guys
come on, Popeye. So we automatically have these.
Can we just put one in?
We're gonna put in two.
Okay, so first we're gonna add glue just in case we don't get any glue during the challenge. And if we don't get, just in case we don't get any glue in the challenge, we're adding these. So let me.
Where are mine?
Just in case. So these are for just in case we get nothing.
Here, you have two, and I have two.
Just in case we get no glue. Rocky, over there.
Rocky, go, Popeye. We don't need you right now. We give you a treat later, okay? So we have to automatically put these in just in case.
Yeah, these glues are thick.
How do you turn this off? Hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing?
What are you doing?
Here, Popeye, go over there. I have to give him a little piece.
Coming up.
Here, Popeye.
Can I have the laundry detergent on my side? It's coming up. My side is. Let's dump. This is hard to dump.
This is hard to rip.
What? Open?
The rip. Because I have to rip it, so.
No, you don't have to rip it off.
Yeah, because there's not many pieces. Go. Go get it. Here.
Nikki, how is that thing on?
Here, go.
Nikki, that has to be off when you take it. What are you doing?
Sorry, guys, there's a dog right next to us.
What are you doing?
Hey, no, get down.
Nikki, what are you
Get
doing?
down, Popeye, get down. Get down.
Nikki,
No.
what the heck are you doing?
Get down. Get down.
Nikki.
Get down, big Popeyes. Get down. Get down. He's all jumpy. Get down.
Nikki, what are you doing? These things come off when I poop.
Okay, ready? Sit. Okay, go get it.
Nikki, these green things are supposed to pop off. They came off right when I took my caps off. See?
Okay, guys, so sorry. He's just being he's so clumsy. He's cute, though. Oh, by the way, his name is Rocky. So you might
Rocky
be hearing that a lot.
Okay, I'm pretty sure my dump is done.
They feel like so heavy when they're done, huh? Let me see
That
yours.
is not
yours
done.
done? Mine is heavy. Could you help me when you're done? Hey, that one's mine. Because you just opened that one, remember?
No, that was yours. I opened it for you.
It's okay.
Break it. Down.
No, we're going to do these two.
Oh.
So first, guys, we have these like ABC letter things. The letters, and we have these beads.
Are we putting them on this side or that side?
This side. Are you ready, Popeyes? Let me find the treats. Where's this treat? Okay, when you're ready, you're going to do rock, paper, scissors right now.
And whoever wins, whichever one he picks, the people who won rock, paper, scissors will get that one, and the one left will be the one for the others.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Guys, she won.
So whichever one he picks.
Come here. Honey? Come here. So this one. Come here, Popeyes. Come here, Popeyes. Look at, eat it. Here, you want it? Eat it. Okay, he picked this one for you.
You pick these. Yes!
Here you go, Popeyes. Here you go. Here, you want more? Here, there's more. So then I get these ones. Yes. Wait, should we wait to the end to put them all in?
No, I want to do that.
do rock, paper, scissors actually because you already went, so now it's my turn. Automatically. Yeah, it's automatically because you won the first one, so.
Oh yeah, because then it won't be fair. Because what if I win all of them and you never get them?
Come here, Popeye.
It's letters and I got B's. I want to be so bad.
Come here, look at. Okay, so I get these ones. Dang it. You get those ones. No, you can't. Here you go, Popeye. Here, more.
So only, don't add all of them.
Yeah, only a few so we can use it for another round. Yeah.
For another slime video.
No, just another round.
We're not having 2 rounds.
Will you keep them distracted while I go get a spoon real quick?
Here.
We want to give a huge shout out to Jalen Gonzalez. She's our best friend and we had to move away from them. So if you're watching this, hey girl, hey. I'm sorry. But hi.
This is what we're talking about. Sorry, guys, it's blurry.
So we're going to do these two together first, then these
like
two,
a
then those two.
little
So first we're going to start with these two.
ball. Or fishbowl bean.
Rachel, come here.
Bouncy.
So first we're going to start with green and yellow. Whatever which one Rocky chooses first is for Rachel this time. Thank you. Come here, Bubba.
If he doesn't use it, grab one of his dogs.
Here you go. You want this one? Come here.
Yeah, it's an Orby, guys.
Come here, Bubba. Look at it. You want one?
Vicky, yours are clear. Oh, yours are see-through.
Here. Come grab it. Come here.
Mine looks like a pink
one. Come on. Come grab it. You got green.
Yes, I wanted green.
We're going to use this for next round.
Ooh, it's actually glitter glue.
Ooh. Is this, let me get his pocket.
Ew.
Hey. No.
Okay, guys, I'm just finishing the finishing glues. Okay, see? I have a lot more glue in here, and it's just not coming out. See that, guys? So let's mix, guys.
Hurry, do it kind of fast so I can do my mix.
Okay.
I'll hold it. You mix your heart out. Daddy's coming.
Mine's gonna be brown.
Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a new stick real quick. So comment down right now what you think my slime's gonna turn out. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you guys commented down below. Oopsie, okay, guys, so we're gonna turn off the camera so we can mix. We're gonna pour all the rest of our stuff in, and when we mix it, we'll see you guys then. Okay? So we'll guys see you real quick. Hey guys, so
We're back.
yeah, they just went to go get some Tide, and now we're gonna see if this Tide works.
Can I get that? Tide. I think I'm good.
Guys, this is working. We were so sad.
But why?
We were so sad because the last one didn't work.
But look at this.
Oh, the last one.
I know, but look at this now.
Shh. Sorry, guys. Rocky's working.
There's so much beads on the sides.
I know.
Like, I'm just getting all the beads out right now. And the bottom. Beads don't like it.
Ew, I don't like this one.
Does your beads like it?
Yeah.
Your beads like it? Mine doesn't. Ew, I got a nasty piece too.
I just got my nasty piece out.
Fine.
Could we put it on the table, Daddy?
For what?
The slime? With the cover on. Yeah?
The orbits are staying in very good.
Did anybody hear what he said?
No. Let's just keep it. Can I have the baby? I need more Tide, you.
Yeah. Actually, no, I just need to work mine.
Can we just get it done?
Tide bottle?
Can we just get
No.
it?
Yeah, actually, all the slime is falling out is so good because.
Yeah, this nasty slime.
Did you guys buy anything else or just this?
I'm not. We bought turbos. But we have to eat them afterwards. We already
Mix them.
I need more Tide. Can you? Is your hands are clean. Can you give me some Tide?
Your slime is working together. Mine's not working.
It's good. You're just kind of stringy. Just gotta squish it and work it. Work around the sides. Get all those beads in.
You want to switch for a second?
My hands are all blue.
My hands are purple.
I don't want that. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. That's so
Please.
sticky. These Orbeez are nuts.
Let's switch real quick. So guys, we're about to.
You can't, don't add any slime. Any Tide.
No.
Let me get yours.
Could you make mine better? Could you try to make mine better? Or there's no way.
Ooh, I need more glue because it needs a stick.
Okay.
Do you have more glue? Yes, this needs more glue. You overactivate this.
Bye guys. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notifications. Comment down below who you guys think is better, pink or blue. For me, but hashtag purple squad, and for Rachel, but hashtag blue squad. And we'll see you guys all tomorrow in our next video. Goodbye.